this project is part of my open collaboration hosted by Gillian Norwood. You will find link in the description box down below. Okay, so I'm back with section 2. Yeah, section 2. We are so far we got section A, the pocket, and section B. Yes, the big pockets here. Okay, today we will take care of section B here, where we will have six sheets, and for these 6 sheets they are divided in 3 levels: lowest level, mid level, and first level. And so we will start with the lowest level, which are 10 by 8. Yes, and we need to score them at half an inch on the 10-inch. Just a half an inch. And like I said, for these collections I thought that craft cardstock would be the best. Opa, sorry. Okay, so this is like that. I'll close this one to make sure that they are aligned. Okay, so that looks good. Okay. Now next level comes over this one for the 2 side flaps, and they need to be our mid level. Yes, 8 1/4 by 10, and our 8 1/4 by 10 we will score on the short edge at half an inch and 5/8 of an inch. So they will come over this one, but we need to open this same here. Make sure we are within our score line. Now they are a bit like that, and on the long we score them at half an inch, just half an inch. We don't need anything anymore. Okay, so I will align them with the side flaps, between the side flap here, between the side flap here, and under the score line of the top flap, to make sure we don't go at all higher or lower, which is important. Yes, so that's what we have. We have these 2 here, then we have these 2 here, and then we have these 2 here. I will be back with section 3. We have a 4-way Z fold that goes left and right, and then you saw the opening that goes up and down. So for the 4-way we need 8 sheets of 8 by 10, and we need to all score them on the short at half an inch. Absolutely all of them. So we put this here. Come on. Okay. Next one. We fold this way. So yeah, basically when you score this, when you attach this, it's important to... So that's what we have so far. We got 1, 2, 3, and the next one comes here. And here it's important which way you want it to open. So, but basically, I always have a sorry, a tricky time with these ones, but in the end it works if you have the basic technique. Yes, so again it will have to be like this. I will attach it with you right away. So we have this first part done. Yes, so we attach it here on the left side, on section C. Yes, and we attach it as, let me open this, and we attach it as close as possible, but not like that. I think will do very fine. So that's what we will have. So this will go like this. It's much. So it will go basically once and twice. Yes. Yes. And we'll do one more time here. Do the same thing here. As close as possible to the score lines, but not on the score line. And on the basically that's it. Yes, so it's the same idea. So this come like this come like this come like this, and it will be basically like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We will see these ones, and now we need same thing as here. These, yes, we need these two openings, which I will, because this has grown pretty much, as you can see, so I will give it a 5, same as here, 7/8 inch. And we align it with the black, so we set it in the middle. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Okay. So like I said, yes. That's what we have, guys. And I think it's really, really neat. So now these two are equal in thickness. Looking forward to start with doing the pattern paper. I hope this was watchable. Don't forget to like, share, and maybe even subscribe if you like my content, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Bye bye.